Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can customize the speech controller on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on spoken content. Next, we go down and tap on speech controller. And in here, you'll be able to customize the speech controller. At the top is the show controller toggle button. You can switch it on or off. When turn it on, the speech controller will show on your screen. You can open it by tapping on the controller button. That will expand the controller, or you can collapse it. Next is the controller actions. You can customize the long press, double tap, or either opacity. So here if I tap on long press, at the moment it is set to read all content, so you can change it so that it will speak on touch or none. Now at the moment you can see, for long press you can see speak on touch is disabled, so you cannot select it. So if you want to select speak on touch, you need to change your double tap settings. So in here double tap, it is set to speak on touch, so we need to set it to none, and then we go back to long press, and from here you'll be able to select speak on touch, and that's it. So the same for double tap, you can change double tap to speak on touch, read all content, or none. And finally, the last option is the idle opacity. So you can set it. You can set the transparency of the controller. So when it is not in use, you can set. So if it's very visible, or you can reduce the visibility of the controller. So by dragging on the opacity bar here to the left to reduce the visibility, or you can drag it to the right to increase the visibility of the controller. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.